Alright, so it's been like 3 years since I had these on, and I ended up losing the V and a part of my E. So I just went ahead and popped the rest of these off since the glue was getting weak or whatever. There you go. So yeah, they just pop off super easy. So it's a bunch of dirt under here, under everything. So I'm gonna clean all of this off. I got a laser cutter. I got some acrylic. It's a little bit thicker than this. So this is a 1/16 of an inch. I got some 1/8 inch acrylic. So I'm gonna see if I can load this stuff up on the computer, get it set up to the right size, laser cut some new ones, and cover that back up. And if it don't work, I just had to order another set of these. So I think they're like $20, $25. But while I'm here for the weekend, I ain't got nothing else to do. I'm gonna see if I can remake them. Alright, got the laser cutter finished up. And these are on here pretty good. So hopefully these fit. Like it didn't cut all the way through on this T. There we go. So yeah, I'm gonna pop these out and we're gonna see if they fit, if my measurements were close enough. Alright, I didn't have any 3M but when I cut it, but I should have waited and put this on the back of the acrylic before I cut it. So now I'm trying to do all of this piece by piece. But we got 2 letters done, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to go. Alright, so boom. After all of that, the letters are on. They fit pretty good. And so this was the original. See how thin this was? It's 1/16 of an inch. The new ones are 1/8 of an inch. So they stick out. It's like twice the thickness of this. So that's why they stick out so much. And you can see, it's on my finger, you can see some of the little 3M or whatever is kind of crooked. I ain't cut it the best, but I should have. Next go around, because I'm probably going to redo them, but I put the 3M on the back of the acrylic and laser cut the acrylic and the 3M all at once. So the 3M lines will be way sharper and it won't be any extra left over and hang like that right there. And I could probably tweak this a little bit. I could see a little bit of red under there, and that might be from just how I cut it, from how I cut the vinyl on here. But yeah, overall I did pretty good. So stepped in that bit, but yeah, so yeah, saved myself $25 or whatever, and all I needed was like $400 or $500 worth of laser cutter equipment and all of that. But yeah, so that's done. Again, once I rewrap everything, I'm gonna cut a whole new set of these with fresh vinyl. I mean, fresh 3M that's cut clean and not hand cut with a little razor blade. So it'll be a little neater on the edges. But for now, that's it. And still, shout out to my cool little button where I can finally pop this thing without having to go around having to lean in the car or go find my keys and all of that. And like I said on the other video, it locks when you lock the door, so I don't have to worry about anybody coming up, reaching in there, stealing or whatever. So when the doors are locked, the button's locked. So yeah. But yeah, that's that for this little project. I forgot what I got coming next on here, but I got something coming. I forgot, but yeah, check in with me.